Learning AutoCAD becomes surprisingly easy when you have the right guidance, and it becomes a rewarding experience. Hi, I'm Mohammed Sabeer with over 30 years of experience in AutoCAD training. I've trained more than 40,000 students online and 7,000 students offline, helping engineers and professionals master AutoCAD with confidence. In this Mastering AutoCAD course, you will learn complete 2D drafting and 3D modeling in the shortest possible time with the help of pre-recorded video tutorials. In 2D drafting, you will learn the best practices for creating clean, accurate drawings the way industry expects it. In 3D modeling, you will learn solid surface and mesh modeling through practical real-world examples. You will also learn rendering and visualization, creating animated presentations using AutoCAD. We also have a section on the latest application of ChatGPT in AutoCAD. The course is 100% project-oriented, so by the end, you will be industry ready. To enroll the course, click on the link in the description. I have a special offer for those who watch this video. Apply the coupon code 50OFF to get 50% discount in the course fee. It's a limited period offer. It's a hybrid course, and in each week, you will get a live class to clear your queries. So don't wait, enroll today. I'll see you in the course.